What's up mga kapapart? Meron naman tayong bagong episode. So ngayon, papakita namin sa inyo paano gawin ang coffee jelly with Dalgona fruity toppings. Alright guys? So, tara! Condensed milk, thick cream, coffee, sugar, tsaka yung gelatin powder natin. Pangalan pa lang, mukhang masarap na. Okay.
Coffee, since we need to do a coffee jelly. Okay. So in order for you to make 500 ml of finished product of coffee jelly, mag-add tayo ng 375 ml of hot water. Okay, and I will add 375 ml of water more. Okay. Okay, so in this, you can smell the coffee and the gelatin. So, tunawin lang natin siyang mabuti. Mix. Okay, so in this, you can smell the coffee and the gelatin. So, tunawin lang natin siyang mabuti. Mix. Or stir it properly. Stir properly. Stir properly. Since tunaw na to, let's set aside.
Okay guys, I'm excited since this is looks refreshing. So let's wait for a while. Alright?
Toppings is coffee, sugar, and warm water. Okay, so we have to put 2 tablespoons of coffee and 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of warm water. So the ratio is 1:1:1. Okay, so just to make sure that's proportion. Now what you have to do is mix together until you will get the consistency that you want. So just continue mixing. Continue mixing. Since wala akong mixer, I'm mixing it manually. Just mix. See, now I'm almost there, but you have to continue until it becomes thick. So the fruity should be thick. So you have to make thicker. Talagang mahirap pag walang electric mixer. Mas madali ito pag may electric mixer ka. So you don't have to wait for long. Kasi pag mixer, mabilis talaga siya. Pag manual naman, see? Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at this. Yeah?
Yeah, that is Dalgona.
Yes.
Why so famous? No.
But this is, nakiki-trending lang tayo, Daddy.
Dalgona.
But then, this is the simplest way of doing Dalgona at home. So if you want to have a twist, you can put some also. Or you can do some other tricks or some other way of doing it.
Do you think kids will like it?
Kids, maybe yes, maybe not. But because of the bitterness of the coffee, they can taste the bitterness. So I don't think so they're gonna like it. But of course, when I have to make the jelly, I have to put a cream and a condensed milk that make it sweeten. So maybe they like the coffee jelly. Si manual lang po ito, guys. And you can also do this from home. Para sa mga walang mixers, don't be discouraged na you cannot do this. Because it's easy to make. Even without the mixer, you can still do it.
I think it's done. Not yet?
So it should be more thicker, Daddy. Okay, leave it like that. So I guess this is the consistency now.
See?
See, look. Yeah.
So how long it took us to
Maybe 10
reach
minutes.
this?
I have no clue.
10 minutes? Not
So,
that
but
bad.
this is still jelly. So, lalagyan na natin siya ng cream. Thick cream.
Wow!
Tsaka, condensed milk. So, condensed milk dahil coffee nga, just to sweeten the bitterness of the coffee. So, para meron lang siyang maano yung lasa ng coffee. Okay? Ito na. And then, lalagay na natin siya sa lalagyan. Dalgona. The coffee. Okay. So this is our coffee jelly with Dalgona frothy toppings. So let's taste this. Hope you enjoy this. This is very delicious for sure.
Alright guys. Try natin yung coffee jelly with Dalgona toppings. Alright. So, thank you. So, ito siya guys. So, let's try it.
So this is it. This is our Dalgona twist. Let's eat it. Nice. That one again with the jelly. With the jelly. It blends sweetness, the bitterness, the creamy. So nice. So during summer, you can try this at home.
It's nice. Ang Alright. Here's the jelly. It's nice, guys. Okay, guys. Nice. Try nyo rin to. Coffee jelly with Dalgona fruity toppings. So, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. God bless you all.